every major market crashes that wiped out fortunes and how they unfolded. Tulip Mania, 1637. In Holland, a single tulip bulb sold for more than a year's wages. Speculators traded futures on flowers that didn't even exist yet. Then, panic hit. Prices plunged 90% in days. Merchants went bankrupt. Markets froze. South Sea Bubble, 1720. The South Sea Company promised riches from trade in South America. Shares skyrocketed 1,000% on hype and insider deals. When profits never appeared, investors panicked. The bubble burst. Aristocrats and shopkeepers alike were ruined. Wall Street crash, 1929. The Roaring Twenties ended in a margin-driven frenzy. Investors borrowed to buy stocks, convinced prices could only go up. On Black Thursday, October 24th, selling began. By Black Tuesday, October 29th, the Dow dropped nearly 25% in 2 days. Banks failed. The Great Depression followed. Black Monday, 1987. On October 19th, global markets crashed simultaneously. The Dow fell 22% in a single session. Automated trading algorithms triggered sell orders into falling markets, turning a dip into a free fall. Governments and central banks stepped in, but the shock was a wake-up call about computerized trading. Global financial crisis, 2008. Loose lending standards fueled a housing boom. Banks bundled subprime mortgages into complex securities. When homeowners defaulted, those toxic debts spread through the financial system. Lehman Brothers collapsed. Credit markets froze. Governments raced to bail out banks and inject trillions. COVID-19 crash, 2020. As the pandemic spread, uncertainty exploded. Equities plunged 30% in a month, the fastest decline in history. Oil briefly traded below zero. Central banks slashed interest rates and unleashed massive stimulus. Markets rebounded within months, but the volatility was a stark reminder of how fast sentiment can shift.